Hi, this video is about the Nova 9013 heavy-duty bath seat with 500-pound weight capacity. So when you receive your bath bench, it comes just like this, fully assembled. You just have to simply take it out of the box. So I'm going to show you the features and benefits of this great bath seat. Okay, first I'm going to turn it over and you will see that it's got 4 legs with extra wide base tips, drainage holes in these tips, and these legs are fully adjustable. So you can adjust it to your desired seat height. You just want to make sure that all 4 legs are level and even. You'll see we have a reinforced crossbar here, allowing to have that 500-pound weight capacity. All right, this bath seat here is equipped with 2 handles here that helps with stability, and also we have 2 cutouts on either end. That is where you can put a handheld shower, so it's a lot easier to shower while seated. All right, there you go, and we also have instructions, care, and use right here, and also customer service information, so you can contact us anytime.